Hello, this is Daniel, and today I am going to be showing you the manual override menu in the Supra-Touch. Let's go ahead and pop into our menu and then hit manual override. So this brings us to the manual override menu. So this will list all of our equipment that we have programmed in to our Supra-Touch. So here we can select whatever piece of equipment we want. Let's say our air curtains, we can decide, do we want blower number 1 on or off? Our, relay 9, which is the first blower, relay 10, second blower, do we want it on or off? For our pulse counter, right, we can override how many miles per hour it's detecting, all of these different things. If you're wanting to test your different stages, if you're wanting to test overall just how your equipment operates as your barn heats up, you can override your temperature probe. So you can say, okay, as my temperature increases, then you can go and you can take a look at how your inlets are working, how your different fans are working, make sure that they're all working together in conjunction as you want them to. And then as well, if you're just wanting to test an individual component, maybe double check how your variable fan, make sure that it has good operation through the full 100% all the way down to 0%. Like for our variable stage, if you're having poor operation, say your fan's only coming on at 60 or 70%, then you want to try a different fan curve. And so you'll want to come into manual override, try fan curve number 2, and then try slowly ramping up the output from 0 all the way up to 100%, and then seeing where does that fan kick on, how well does it operate through the whole spectrum. And of course, anything like relays or heaters, you can just flip them on or off. So manual override menu is very helpful for initial setup, ensuring that you have the correct equipment wired to the correct relays and that you've programmed it correctly. And then as well, verifying that your programming is going to operate as you expect it to, as you want it to. And then later on, it's good for troubleshooting or even just manually overriding stuff if you want to force it to be somewhere. And we can, if you want to auto something, you can just hit that auto button. If you want to auto everything, I'll hit the auto all here, and you'll see all those little hands that appear when we put it to something manually. Those all disappear, and it changes everything to auto. One final thing, of course, from the widget screen here, when you tap on the individual equipment piece from the main screen, we do have this quick mode where you can quickly switch into manual mode and adjust things. That's just in each individual piece of equipment or sensor. And then, of course, we have what I was showing you, the manual override menu. That is the list of all of them. So that is the manual override menu, how you can use it, and a few different reasons why you might want to use it. That'll do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.